while the implementing next gate, that is nothing but OR gate. Now to implement A plus B with the help of NAND, we have expression y. We need to implement this expression y is equal to A plus B. So again I will take two complements, y complement of complement, that is equal to y, that is equal to A OR with B complement of complement. So what I will implement, again to the inner complement I will apply the De Morgan's law, that is nothing but break the bar, change the sign. So there will be, the topmost bar will be as it is, the complement will be as it is, and the lower one I will break it, change the sign, OR sign will be converted to and the variables will remain the same. Now see carefully, there is a input A bar, another input is there, that is nothing but B bar, and for the inputs A bar and B bar we are having an NAND operation. AND operation, and this upper complement will convert into NAND. So basically to implement this section I will require one NAND gate. So I will implement a NAND gate here. So this is the required output Y. To this required output Y we have two inputs, that is nothing but A bar and B bar, and to implement A bar and B bar in the earlier slide we have another NOT gate using NAND for A bar, and this one is for B bar. Okay, so both the inputs of this one is shorted along with this one also, and this is shorted to convert it into A, this is converted to B. So operation here you will get A bar, here you will get B bar. A bar is shorted to A bar, B bar is shorted to B bar, hence your Y is equal to A plus B operation is completed. With the help of NOR gate it is very easy. So we have two inputs. So basically this is a NOR gate having inputs A, B. Output here will be A OR with B, NOR with B. But I know I need to implement OR gate, that is A plus B, and we have here A plus B but in the complement format. So if I will put one more complement to it, it will be the OR operation. So what I will do, I will be using another NOR gate, and the input to this second NOR gate is shorted, and whatever the output for the first session, that is A plus B bar, I will connect this to the new input. So here it will be A plus A is A, that is nothing but the final output will be A plus B complement of complement, that is A OR with B. So this is the final expression. Using NOR gate we have implemented the OR gate. So that is all about the basic gates implemented using NAND and NOR gates. And in this session it is very important, in the case of implementing OR gate using NAND, you need to apply two complements and apply the De Morgan's law here. So this is very important. And also in this case De Morgan's law is very important to implement, and these are the methods. Simply you can convert any equation to the required format using NOR gates and NOT gates. There is also one important point. Whenever you want to implement NAND gate using NAND gate or NOR gate, there is a specification. If the given equation is in SOAP form, if the given equation is in the SOAP form, that is nothing but sum of product form, then you will apply the De Morgan's law after complementing the equation for 2 times. Then it will be very easy for you to implement this logical function or the expression with the help of NAND gate. And if the given expression it is in POS form, then again you have to apply the same method. You have to take twice the complement. To the inner complement you will apply the De Morgan's law for the POS format, and then it will be very easy for you to implement any logical function using NOR gates. Thank you very much.